Interlock the fingers, stretch your arms up, palms facing upside. Let's go up. On the toes, where the heels high, look forward at an eye level, hold it there. Keep holding, keep looking forward.
You should practice this workout just before my PCOD workout videos to build strength and stamina to maintain the right kind of weight.
Come down, open your feet a little wider, down sideways. Inhale up, exhale down to the side. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhaling up, exhale down. Come center, down. Take the hands forward, twist back to back side, breathing deeper. Inhale forward, exhale back to the side. Change. Change again. From center. Support your back with your hands. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go forward and down. Keep the legs straight, press your head down. Do not push too much. Keep holding. Slowly come up, arch your back again. Look up. Exhaling forward and down. Inhale up, arch. Look forward, open the legs wider. Both legs wide open, keep your feet firm down, take your hands down on the ground, press your head down. Legs are straight, weight on the legs. Keep holding. Look forward. Now, keep your right hand down in the center. Raise the left hand up. Breathe. Change the side, left hand down, right hand up. Let's hold the left ankle with the right hand. Left hand goes up. Hold. Hold the right ankle with the left hand. Right hand goes up. Slowly drop your hands down. Gently pull your feet in. Let's sit in Malasana. Keep your feet around the foot apart. Let's push your knees wide open using elbows. Keep your back straight. Look forward. Keep holding. Gently drop your hands down close to the feet. Take your feet close to each other. Hold your big toes with your hands. Slowly make your legs straight. Take your head down close to the knees. Slowly inhaling, come up. Raise the hands up, arch your back, look up between the palms, stretch. Look forward, roll the hands down. Let's come front side of the mat, please. Taking your feet together. Raise the hands up side. Make a namaste down at your chest. Inhale, go up, arch your back. Exhaling forward and down. Take right leg back, look forward up. Left leg also back. Down with the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, down facing dog. Let's take the right foot outside the palms at the right side of it. Now, you need to take the right leg back, left forward, then left back, right forward. Alternate, one at a time. Let's go. Change, change, keep changing. You need to do it 15 to 20 times each side. Relax. Back to down facing dog. Come forward, the right foot close to the right palm, left foot close to the left palm. Let's come in the chair pose, bending the knees. Make sure the knees remain above the ankles. Bend it so much so the thighs go parallel to the ground. Then you drop your left elbow down at the right knee. Join your palms together. Raise the right one high up. Keep looking towards the right. Breathe. Come center. Let's go. Dropping the right elbow down at the left knee. Look left side up. Hold. Drop your hands down. Take right leg back. Left leg also back. Down with the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, down facing dog. Come forward, the right foot between the hands. Stand straight facing the left side. Stand straight up, bending the right leg. Raise the hands up parallel to the shoulders. Gently drop your left palm down at the left knee. Push the right hand up and back. Bending the right knee. Look forward. Hold. Keep holding. Keep breathing. Gently drop your right palm down close to the right foot. Left hand goes up. Both hands in one straight line. From left foot to head, one straight line. Keep holding. Stretch your left arm. Gently drop your both hands down, either side of the right foot. Both legs back together, back to the plank. Down with the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, long facing dog. Forward is the left foot. Stand straight, facing the right side this time. Bend the left knee. Raise the hands up parallel to the shoulders. Drop your right palm down at the right knee. Push the left hand up and back. Look forward. Bend the left knee a little more. Right knee straight. Keep breathing. Very gently drop your left palm down, close to the left foot. Right hand goes up. Right leg straight. Hold. Keep breathing. Down with both the hands. Back with both the legs. Down with the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, long facing dog. Forward is the right foot between the hands. Stand straight, look forward. Bending the front right leg. Raise the hand straight upside, straight towards ceiling. Now gently take the right hand back side at your left thigh. Left hand is still up. Push the left hand back. Look up towards the palm. Bend the right knee a little more. Keep holding. Stay. Very gently drop your left palm down, close to the right foot. Right hand goes up. Hold, left knee straight and high. Down with both the hands. Back with both the legs. Down with the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, long facing dog. Forward the left foot this time. Stand straight up. Bending the front left knee. Raise the hands up. Taking your left hand back side. Place it up on the right thigh. Bend the left knee. Push the right hand up. Look up towards your right palm. Hold. Breathe. Very gently drop your right palm down close to the left foot. Left hand goes up. Stay. Right knee straight and high. Both hands in one straight line. Back with the legs. Down with the knees. Chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, down facing dog. Take the right leg once again up, straight high up. Take the right foot forward between the palms. Gently drop your left knee down. Push the left leg back further. Place on both palms at the front right knee. Left knee down on the mat. Left foot flat. Place on the palms at the front right knee. Look up. Slowly from the side. Raise the hands up. Bend the right knee a little more. Keep looking up. Keep holding. Slowly drop your hands down either side of the right foot. Both legs back together, back to the plank. Down with the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, down facing dog. Raise the left leg up this time, left leg straight high up. Maximum high, toes pointing up. Both legs are straight, right heel is down. Take the left foot forward, left foot between the palms. Drop your right knee down, right foot flat. Push the right leg back. Place on both palms, head to front left knee. Take your head and chest back to look up. From the side, raise the hands up, look upside. Hold. Down with the hands, back with the legs, down with the knees, chest and chin down.